This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable background app refresh on Android device. To stop background apps on Android, follow these simple steps. Go to your phone settings, and first of all, we have to enable developer mode. I'm using Xiaomi phone, so I'm going to tapping on about phone and tapping MIUI version for 7 times, and the developer version will be enabled. Now I'm going back from here and scrolling down, tapping on additional settings, scrolling down and tapping on developer options, scrolling down, and here you will find this background process limit. Tap on it, and to disable background app refresh, you have to select here no background processes, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.